The Trichotest is an advanced pharmacogenomic test that helps assess the underlying cause of your hair loss.
Pharmacogenomics use the genetic information of a patient to study its individual response to drugs.
And provides personalized recommendation treatments based on your genes.
All patients with scalp and hair problems are candidates for Trichotest. This diagnostic test is easy to perform with a simple oral mucosal swab, and all doctors, regardless of specialty, can make it available for their patients with hair issues.
If you need some vitamins and minerals based on your genes. And this one, it's just a swab. The thing is, it will take a month before there's results, but it's okay. We can do Zoom.
To determine the most effective hair loss treatment for you, test your DNA with Trichotest. Call us today for an appointment.